Namaste. My name is Dr. Ajit Ranade and I am working as Dean at Mumbai Veterinary College, which is affiliated to the Maharashtra Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, which has headquarters at Nagpur. And I am over here to talk to you about the recent news of bird flu, which has struck in some of the states of the country. Although it has not struck in Maharashtra, some of the cases have been found in Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Every year, unfortunately, such incidences they happen, and that becomes a news, and the entire poultry sector, the poultry industry, poultry farmers, they get affected because such kind of news spreads very rapidly and it affects the sale of eggs and meat and disrupts the entire economics of the poultry sector. What I am going to tell you right now is the reality behind it. Basically, amongst these 4 states, 2 states, the chickens are not affected. It's the ducks and the crows that have been affected. At one state, the migratory birds have been affected, and only at one state, some of the chickens have died. Moreover, whatever deaths have been seen in chickens, they are from nondescript kind of birds, and no occurrence is seen in any of the organized poultry farming sector, organized broiler farm or organized layer farm. Now, as you know, we got the problem of bird flu since 2006, and now almost 14-15 years have passed. Every year, somewhere or the other, the problem comes. However, the incidence of the problem has been reduced, or the poultry sector, the farmers have become wise. They are adopting very good biosecurity measures in terms of cleaning, sanitation, disinfection, etc. And therefore, the problem has reduced. Moreover, in last so many years, there has been no incidence of the disease affecting human beings. So, though there is problem in some of the states, the customers, the consumers need not worry at all, and they can continue to consume eggs and chickens just the way they were doing it. Only one small precaution, which we have been taking for so many years now: routine cleaning methods are to be followed, and the cooking methods. The best cooking methods we have in our country, where we boil everything to 100 degrees Celsius, and this bird flu virus, this gets inactivated somewhere around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. So there is no harm at all in consuming eggs or poultry meat once you properly cook it. So these kind of rumors about the disease spreading in chickens or the diseases spreading from chickens to humans have no base, and people can continue consuming it. Poultry sector is very, very sensitive, and we are very sharp to react to the things. So we are telling it that we have adopted very good measures to prevent the disease, and the government officials, government regulations are also trying to see that the disease remains restricted in specific areas where it has struck, and the prevention of spread of disease is being done. So the message is that you should not worry about the bird flu striking in some of the states. You can continue eating proteins in the form of eggs and meat, which is a very good quality protein, because that's going to help you in increasing your immunity in this era of COVID pandemic. Thank you very much.